Here are 8 easy ways for beginners to make money online in 2024. 1. Freelance services. Platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer offer skills like writing, graphic design, or programming on freelance marketplaces. 2. Online surveys. Platforms, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars. Earn money by sharing your opinions on products and services. 3. Affiliate marketing. Platforms, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank. Promote products and earn a commission on sales through unique referral links. 4. Dropshipping. Platforms, Shopify, Oberlo. Sell products online without holding inventory by partnering with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. 5. Content creation. Platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch. Create engaging videos or live streams and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and viewer donations. 6. Online tutoring. Platforms, VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, Wezant. Teach subjects or languages to students via video calls. 7. Print on demand. Platforms, Teespring, Redbubble, Printful design custom merchandise like t-shirts and sell them online without managing inventory. 8. Remote work. Platforms, Remote.co, FlexJobs, LinkedIn. Apply for part-time or full-time remote jobs in various fields such as customer service, administration, or marketing. These methods provide flexible opportunities for beginners to start making money online with minimal investment. With that, please subscribe, hit like button, and see you till next time. Thank you.